In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Envato subscription step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Envato website. Once the website loads, click on the Sign In button and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up and create one. After logging in, navigate to the subscription or pricing section to view the available Envato plans. Review the features included in each plan and choose the one that best fits your needs. Click on the Subscribe or Get Started button under your selected plan. Next, enter your billing information, including your payment method and billing details. Make sure all information is correct before continuing to avoid payment issues. After completing the payment process, your Envato subscription will be activated automatically. You can now access Envato resources such as templates, graphics, videos, music, and other digital assets.